Beautiful. The Holland sun. Ganda. Sana nabubusog yung eyes nyo, guys. Ang sasarap, my gosh. Smoked cheese. Mukbang.
Bagong content.
Mukbang ng cheese. So this is the chili cheese.
If you want, I will give you a discount.
Oh my goodness. Diamond shoes. You're 16 and you're in the university. Oh,
15.
oh, you're 15. Okay, great. It's nice to see young people work here. Do you want to be a model in the Philippines?
I need to try. I want to be a pilot, but let's try model.
If I have to live in Europe, I think that would be Amsterdam. Kasi everyone speaks English, everyone is accommodating, like everyone is so pleasant. The place is so pleasant, the country is so pleasant. Good morning! Mabuhay! So it's our last day here in Netherlands and nakakasenti. This is our last day. It's been mabuhay. And my photographer. It's been 2 weeks since napunta tayo dito. Ngayon nag-vlog tayong tawag doon. Basta. It's okay. Hi vlog. Hi tita. Actually guys, ang Switzerland, hindi makamove on. Ang Amsterdam ay below sea level. So kung makikita nyo around, maraming waters, pero they are smart daw to innovate and build a good canal system. Maganda ng bahay dito. Actually, so kaya pag grabe ang lamig dito, no? Lamig dito sa Baguio. So we're inside a wooden house. May mga pictures around. I think that's their process. Ay, ano po itong mga chinela o mga sapatos? Clogs?
Traditional na.
Traditional Dutch shoes. Oh, yeah. As you can see around, may mga shoes. Ayan, si tita, picture si tita. And shoes may designs, no? Parang painted. Daming Pinoy. May mga Pinoy din dito sa loob ng workhouse. A workhouse? Sa loob ng dito, paggawaan ng clock. Workshop rather. Oh my gosh. Clock ako ng clock kanina. Clog pala. Clog. As in C-L-O-G. Kasi sa tour na to, go with the flow lang tayo. Hindi ko inaalam yung itinerary. So, wooden clog. Okay. So, it's the traditional shoes of Netherlands. Okay. Not clock. Wait for it. Brace yourselves. Oh my goodness. Diamond shoes. Ang kabog ng diamond shoes. Beautiful.
Much like cheese, but it's not as good.
Showing us how to make the wooden clog.
In the old days, a long time ago, before there were machines, where the shoes were made by hand. We did that for around 800 years. We used a big knife to do the outside shape.
Yan, inuhulman ng loob ng sapatos. Our favorite spot, mga ref magnet and souvenirs or mga display. Parang nice tong mga to for display sa house. Ito, diba? Ito pa. Super cute na mga souvenirs here, yung mga ref magnet, kakaiba siya. So far ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-favorite kong spots for displays and souvenirs. Kasi very unique dito sa Switzerland na naman tayo, Netherlands. Parang may land eh. Cute yung ano dito, yung mugs. Parang nice din as display or pang souvenir, pang pasalubong. Super nice. Super nice here, guys. This is very Netherlands. I love it here. Isang hirap mamili ng pasalubong. Yung talagang pinaka-struggle ko. Mamili ng, souvenir. Tingnan tayo ng picture here. Ganda dito. Holland. This is Holland. Super nice. Beautiful. Ang lamig guys, pero ang saya mag-explore kasi ang ganda ng sceneries, ganda ng view, nakakatuwa. Sana may ganito sa Pinas, no? Diyos. Ay, yan ang ating mga tita naglalakad. May mga shops around. And po, kala yung nawawala kayo. Ang ganda. Saan bang CR? Ay, okay. Picture muna. Ay, my gosh. Super ganda. Ito waters. As mentioned, yung Amsterdam, ano siya, below sea level. No? Kaya maraming tubig dito.
Alright, so you can start to get ready and put on your coats, and you're very soon will be dropped off in Volendam.
Alright, so tapos na tayo sa again, feeling ko hindi tayo maayos nakapag-into kanina. Sobrang spontaneous ko, di ko sinusis yung mga pinupuntahan. Talagang go with the flow lang. Ngayon papunta tayo sa cheese factory. But before there, maglakad-lakad muna tayo dito. Parang Magsaysay Boulevard lang ng Tacloban, no? Mugs. Hello! Cute. Wala nang siya. Hello, baby! Alright. So we're walking along the houses here in Netherlands. And you know what, guys? Go tita. The houses are really nice here because they give high regard to the interior of their houses. And many houses keep their curtains open kasi they are very proud of the interior of their houses. Diba? And they especially give importance to their what they call this, gardens. Ayan. Kaya kanina, nung nasa bus tayo, ang gaganda ng gardens na nakita natin. Yung yellow umbrella talaga natin. Sana mag-survive. Fresh from Korea pa to. Ay, ganda. Ganda here. Buti makapal yung jacket suot natin ngayon. It's the start of the walking tour. Cute. Totoo ba yan? May battery. Cute. Ito yung mga house dito. Oh. Super nice. Mga totoong bahay. Hello. Hello, baby. Are you shy? Look here. Hello. Diba? Cute na mga houses here. And here, may mga duck. You know. Taray ng car, parang pagong na Volkswagen. Ayan, may mga nababike because Amsterdam is the bike capital of the world. Ayun, gusto ko makinig kay Papa Chris. Beautiful. The Holland sun. Ganda. Sana nabubusog yung eyes nyo, guys, sa different tanawin here. 4.95 lang yung cup, oh. Yung mug, rather. Kabayan! Oh, may cheese factory dito. Kabayan! Noli de Castro yan.
Umihilang ako.
So we're gonna enter?
From this door to the
Ano na ako dito? Bibili na ako tayo, guys.
Here we go. The cheese factory. Hello. All of these are cheese. Oh, it smells like cheese. Cheese ripening area. Alright. Wow. Really smells like cheese.
So the milk gets thick,
Here we are.
like the pudding.
She's explaining
So
how they
with these
make the cheese.
special rotating knives, first they go slow, then they go at a faster rate, which separates the milk part called the curds. The curds eventually become the cheese, and the whey is very healthy. It contains a lot of proteins and vitamins, so we feed it back to the animals. You can drink it yourself.
So healthy and cheese.
Don't try it. Have cheese.
The best
enjoy.
part, the free taste. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow.
Thank you.
Danke. So where are the cheeses? Ripon, itong favorite part natin. Yung free taste ng mga cheese. Let's go. Ang sasarap, my gosh.
Bili pa rin kayo. Bili ka lang.
So, pesto cheese.
Sarap siya. Di ba? Pesto. Pesto's love.
This one's interesting. Smoked cheese.
Lasang smoke.
Oo nga, sabi itong smoked cheese. Nakakaloka. Ang saya.
Pwede na yan. Ano na to eh?
Mukbang.
Bagong content.
Oh, mukbang ng cheese. Hindi natin magla-lunch. I feel it full. Oh, so this is the chili cheese.
Ano?
My goodness. Gusto ko na dito magstay. Mukbang kasi ang sarap ng mga cheese. Tomato olive. Ang sarap nito. Sauce. Ilagay ko sa cheese. Yeah.
Yeah, I bought it. Sauce 350. Kaya siyang honey mustard. Masarap siya ilagay.
Delish, delish.
Taga dito kasi ako.
So, Claude.
Masarap siya. So, if you want, I will give you a discount.
Tapos na ako.
kuha mo. You're the best. Oh my God.
That's parchment.
Patingin. Paano kuha sa'yo?
Oh,
Ay, ganda.
Gandara parts.
Kasama ko sa binibenta.
Tsaka yun doon tayo mag-picture.
Kasama sa binibenta.
Doon tayo mag-picture. Ay, dito. Ayun ako mga peso.
Plastic yan eh. So, Claude, what did you buy?
Cheese that tastes like sausage.
Cheese that tastes like sausage.
This one, and looks like sausage.
Ah, yeah, it looks like
And
sausage.
the honey mustard.
Hindi,
Oh,
bumili
yeah,
ka ng
that's
keso
deli.
kasi bagong taon. Pag-uwi mo sa Pilipinas.
Wine na yung dala ko eh. Uy, queso de bola na
Alam mo,
din sa kanila. Oo.
ang winner din ng champagne. Saan galing to sa Champagne region ng France?
Ay, ang kabog.
Diba?
In this area are mga kainan and souvenir shops. Yes. Claude, what are you eating for this lunch? Best pancake ko. We haven't had pancake yet. Ah, you don't like sweets? Ah, yes, because your throat. Alright. And here, shop for clothes. Another souvenir shop. Oh. Gaganda ng souvenirs dito sa Netherlands. Like, I cannot choose, but I already bought one. Oh, this is so nice. I should have bought this here. May ang arte. I'm saying, guys, na she's so pretty and she's just 16 and you do part-time job here. You can be a Miss Universe. You know what Miss Universe is? Miss Universe.
Yes, but we don't do that here.
Ah, you don't do that here.
Yeah, in the Netherlands, but not in this village.
In this village. Okay. But you're so pretty.
Yeah, I'm just high school.
Oh, you're just high school. And you told me everyone here must speak English.
Yes, they have to try.
They have to try because it's a small country.
Only the elder people, they don't speak English very
Oh.
well because they just live
Yeah.
further.
The younger ones are trying really hard to speak English. Why? Because of the tourists? Because of globalization?
Yes, and because we have a lot of different cultures here. So
Okay.
we,
Yeah, so Netherlands is like the melting pot of cultures.
yeah, a little bit.
Thank you. Hello. So you're 16 as well.
Yes,
Oh,
15.
oh, you're 15. Okay, great. It's nice to see young people work here.
I don't know what to give.
What?
I don't know what to give
Ay, this one. Itong binili ko. Yeah, itong binili ko kanina. Ay, ito. 5. Yeah, this one.
Is this a bell?
Uh,
Yeah, bell for the
yes, for the bike. Because you know, Amsterdam is the bike capital. In-interview natin yung mga ate doon and they say we look much younger. We're just 26. Ayan, may pag-reveal tayo ng age ito sa YouTube channel. Ay, sorry. Okay lang, masagasaan. Basta BMW. Share lang. Joke lang, guys. Lord, no, it's not okay. Ang pogi nang nasa likod, my gosh.
Bakit yung calamari nila mga?
Kumusta ang calamari dito sa Netherlands?
Ano yung tawag doon? Crunchy.
Oh, delish. Tasty but crunchy lang.
Potato.
Potato. Potato tasty.
Kasi sa akin, di ba parang mahirap
Oo.
pagdating.
Alright. Hindi natin mag-lunch guys kasi naparami tayo ng kain ng cheese. So, tikim-tikim na lang tayo sa order ni Chloe. Dumami ng tao ngayon. Parang nandito sa area na to yung mga seafood of Netherlands. Ganda. Saan mo ko gustong itulak? Lumalabas ang tunay na ugali ni Claude ngayong huling araw na namin. Bitch ka.
I'm a bitch.
You're a bitch. Ay, sorry, baka maano tayo. You're a bitch. Ay, ang bitch lang baday. Okay. You're a bitch. Kasi alat mo. So, we're walking along the... What color is that? Gray beach. Brownish beach. Brownish waters. Okay. And brownish beach. Ayan, yung sand color brownish. And then, okay. Ang gandang tapusin ng vlog dito. So, I hope you enjoy this vlog. Nagpunta tayo sa paggawaan ng sapatos. Nagmukbang ng cheese. Nakikain kay Claude. Ang daming magagandang memories dito sa Amsterdam. I mean, in Netherlands in general. Gusto ko makabalik dito. Ang sinasabi ko kay Claude, if I have to work in Europe, if I have to live in Europe, I think that would be Amsterdam. Kasi everyone speaks English, everyone is accommodating, like everyone is so pleasant, the place is so pleasant, the country is so pleasant. I'd love to live here in Amsterdam, in Netherlands. So, if you like this video, please do subscribe. Click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell. And baka naman, yung thanks button sa baba, guys. Diba? Para makabalik tayo ng Europa. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Nandiyan sa baba yung mga yung mga travel items. So, pwede yung mapili if you decide to travel. Ayun, thank you so much guys for watching na talaga here from Netherlands. Abangan yung iba ko pang ibang European vlog. See you on my other Europe vlogs. Bye-bye! Bye, Claude! Bye-bye! Ang ganda ng background.
I'll make you an actor.
Yes! Do you want to be a model in the Philippines?
I need to try. You think so? I should come to Philippines then?
You'll be popular in the Philippines.
Yes, you can be a model.
Okay.
She is an influential person in the Philippines.
Sounds like a plan.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah, you should get our number and you message us. We will make you
Yeah.
big in the Philippines.
We'll follow you on Instagram.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to be a pilot, but
Oh.
let's try model.
Oh,
You
yeah,
wanted to be a
can,
pilot, but you want
You can
modeling.
be a model in the Philippines.
I'm too old for that.
No, of
You're
course
just 29?
You look young.
Yeah, you look
Yeah,
young.
thank you.
You look young.
Yes. Okay. Kasi ako chinik. Oo. So, chinika natin siya.
Oo, buti na lang bumaba. Ako.
Kaya nga, kung bumaba ako.